This is episode 1 of how I make $100 a day using only ChatGPT. No editing, no audience, no camera. Just prompts, a free platform, and copy-paste hustle. Let's get it. Step 1. I asked ChatGPT to write cold emails for freelancers who need clients. You can do this for any niche. Real estate agents, Etsy sellers, creators. ChatGPT writes everything. I just copy. Step 2. I edited the emails slightly. Added headings, spaced it out, and made it a clean doc. Saved it as a PDF. That's my product. No design, no stress. Step 3. I uploaded it to Gumroad. Used a lazy Canva cover. Set the price to pay what you want, but suggested $5. Some paid more. It's wild. Step 4. I posted in Reddit freelancing subs. I joined Facebook groups and dropped value posts. I replied to Quora questions with my link. Free traffic, no ad spend, just vibes. I crossed $100 a day with just a few sales. 10 people paying $10 is all it takes. And I didn't even write the emails. ChatGPT did. That's it. One lazy ChatGPT prompt turned into a product that sells daily. In the next episode, I'll show you how I used it to sell full job application kits. Subscribe so you don't miss it.